Hello my people, here is Elizabeth Healthy Plate. Today I welcome you to my channel as we prepare on how to cook some of the snacks either for sale or for kids. Now today I'm going to prepare numbers snacks. I'll be starting by showing you my numbers and the types of numbers. So we have big size and we have the smaller size. So for you to get the better result, when you go to the market, shop for the bigger size. Also, when cooking, ensure that you regulate the temperature, the size of the flame, so that your numbers may explode very well and they may be bigger in size. I'll heat my oil, then I'll put some of the samples of the numbers into the oil to check whether the oil has heated up. Then you can see how our numbers are coming out. Now you can pour in the amount that is enough for the oil that you have. Now let us mix. We mix. Now we can remove them, then put it in our sieve. Let us sieve so that we drain out the oil. Now here is my end result. Kindly subscribe to my channel in Elizabeth Healthy Plate. In the next video, I'll be showing you on how to package them and ready for sale. Let us do business. Like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Elizabeth Healthy Plate. Bye.